Okay, Mr. Thomas, how long you been serving here at your location? You don't mind me asking, sir?
Since 1967.
1967. Oh my goodness. And so what are we doing right here? We getting. I see the truck come in. We got the meat coming in. So you're getting it ready for processing and stuff. Oh, okay, for cooking. Okay. And what kind of meat am I looking at right here?
Ham.
Pork.
Pork.
Okay. So what you gonna cut it up into? Just for you.
Just what you just got through.
Oh, for the chip stew and stuff in the varmint stew, which is also called hash up north. Oh, okay. So now America know how we do it down here. So this is the fat part, what you're gonna dispose of that? Oh, okay.
Well, they didn't trim it up too good.
They ain't trim it up too good? Oh, okay. Oh man, so you've been doing this for a while. Tank say his mama was here for a while. Now you was at another job, and this was your side job now. This is your main job. Boy, I see people come, they go. Tank tell me people coming from lunch. Man.
I think people want to get away from the city.
Get away from the city? Well, we ain't even close to the city from what I see.
That's why they come out here. They can eat like they want to.
Eat like they want to, okay. And Tank say his sister want to meet me so she can feed me. But I just ate. He said they want to feed you, Rob. I said, you trying to create a big boy out of me.
Everybody, they in Atlanta want to meet Tank, huh?
So yeah. Because on my internet page, on my YouTube page, a lot of people look at my motorcycle stuff, and I filmed him in California doing the car stuff he was doing. And Tank is a character, and so people enjoyed his honesty and his detail to attention to things he was doing, and so people watched all his episodes, and so I told him when I come down here, I'm gonna come down and see what you're doing over here. He said, well, come on. I said, all right, I'm this close. I'm going to come down. We're going to see what he's doing with this pit over here. All right. So, Tank, when you putting all the coals in, is there a certain way you're going to do it? Is there a technique to this to get your pits ready? Is there a certain technique to get your pits ready? Cause I see you got them right in the corners right here, yeah.
Yeah, this right here, put one bag on this end, one bag on that end, and a half a bag in the center, right?
Yeah.
And then it's fired up. So by the time they get through washing the meat,
yeah,
I can put it on the pit.
Yeah.
And then close it, and this ain't gonna open back up till in the morning.
Okay, so why you putting the right? Why you doing the right and the left? Why not?
So the heat'll do this. The heat circle like this.
Oh, okay.
You follow me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How long did it take to get your technique down? How?
And then cook it even.
Cook it even.
That shit'll, you can pick it up and do this. And it'll fall off the bone.
Oh, okay. Okay. In the morning. How much charcoal do you go through a week over here? How much charcoal do you use up in a week? How long will this stack of charcoal bags last you? That's my question then.
It depends, money. Like before the 4th of July?
Yeah.
Oh man, we went through about 60 bags of charcoal in 3 days.
In 3 days? So y'all had a lot of people coming to see.
Oh, we were cooking back to back to back.
Okay, so it's beneficial then. It's beneficial.
Oh man.
Okay, so people using the briquettes versus the propane, which is better, propane or the charcoals? Charcoal? Okay.
Propane cook too fast.
Cook too fast? Okay.
With the charcoal, you can get the meat cook even.
Oh, okay.
Meat cook even. The meat, it's just like, it'll be just like a turbo versus a blower.
Okay.
Time you turn the key on a blower, it's making horsepower right now.
Yeah.
A turbo got lag.
Oh, okay.
It's hard to beat a blower, especially if you set it up right. It's hard to beat charcoal if you set it up.
You set it up right, okay.
Yeah.
That's all in the set. It's the fine details.
That charcoal was supposed to cook all night. That propane, hey, pretty soon that bottle will get empty.
Okay.
You're gonna have to come refill it.
Refill it.
You gonna have to do a refill. Yeah. I'm finna see if my system gonna work.
Uh-huh.
See, that's the problem what I was having after I built the house.
Uh-huh.
When you light it, smoke.
Oh, so you figure out your system of fans.
Trying to figure the ventilation out without cutting a hole in the roof.
Uh-huh. I see you got a fan there.
Yeah, I went and bought that fan this morning.
Uh-huh.
Let me see. Do me a favor.
Yeah.
Unplug that fan
Yeah.
and plug the cord in right here. See that cord right there?
Yeah. All right. Ready? All right. Here we go. Fan on.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're blowing it out.
Yeah. Whew.
Watch the hole.
Why you put a hole right here? What's the hole for?
They're blowing it out. They're working my stomach.
Whew. It's hot over there.
Yeah, hot over there. What you expect? They're blowing from this way.
Yeah.
That's fine, man. I
Fine.
gotta put one more right here.
Yeah. You drop one more
I
over
gotta
there.
put one more right here. And then, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put some tin right here.
Right, keep them burning there.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna put some tin up there that'd be like a shield.
Right.
So the wood don't constantly be getting hot.
Yeah.
It'll shield it. Yeah. I know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a 2x4.
Uh-huh.
I'll take a 2x4 on that end, a 2x4 on that end, and turn it like this. So when I put the tin to it, it'll be cupped.
Okay. Like you do, like a oven would be in a cooking in a restaurant. It'll keep like a funnel. Yeah.
Right. That's what I was looking for, but this working just perfect.
Yeah.
Huh. It didn't make all that smoke. Nah, usually when it first light up, it's smoke all up in there. We'll see. Hot up.
Yeah, it's hot in here. I'm gonna get out. It's hot. I like damn
Stay
food.
out the kitchen.
All right, I'm out the kitchen. I'm over here, looking in the kitchen.
One on the end, one on both ends, and a half in the middle. Most of the stuff used to just be fresh out the garden, man.
Uh-huh.
Everything used to come straight from the garden. The greens, the beans,
Uh-huh.
everything.
Okay.
The okra.
So these are these the old standby ones here?
He used this one every so often, right?
Okay.
So tell me about it as long as I've been knowing you since you was a little boy.
Oh, okay.
I was a little boy come down here, my granddaddy showed me how to stay woke.
Uh-huh.
He said, let the smoke get in your eye. Oh, man.
That'll keep you woke.
Smoke in your eye, you won't even blink. I think he got me, Mr. Thomas, granddad. He let that smoke got in my eye. I was like, ah! He said, you won't go to sleep. You can stay up all night. He wasn't playing neither. You can stay up all night. Coming out.
Yeah, it's coming
I
out.
put that tin out there.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You're gonna force it out.
So in the past, when it's raining, you just be out here in the rain dealing with it. In the past, when it was raining, you just be out here in the rain dealing with it then because you had.
Put the tin over
Oh,
here.
okay. Oh, okay. Oh, prop 10 right up on it. Okay. Oh yeah, this is gonna be
You
a.
don't have to do that.
You don't have to do that now. Okay. Cause we indoors / outdoors. Yeah.
It's a pretty nice little hut, huh?
Yeah, it's a nice little clubhouse you built over here, man.
Hot rodding houses.
Oh yeah. How long it took you?
Well, about 7 days. How long it took me to
Well,
come?
off and on.
Off and on? Okay.
Yeah.
A little here, a little there? Yeah.
I'd have to go get this and get that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Had to wait till they get the concrete poured.
Mm-hmm.
And everybody like that way you smooth that concrete out. Didn't it? Everybody like that way you smooth that concrete. Everybody like the way you smooth that floor out, didn't it?
Oh yeah, everybody like that flow.
Yeah.
Yeah. They like that flow.